So here's the review of my man-powered snowplow. You can see here the snow that got pushed off the side. Okay, I redesigned this a little bit. Here's the machine over here. Problem is the engine is, you know, it's like 60 something years old and probably not in the best of shape, but you know, I'm gonna keep it going. So we got those wheelchair wheels. We got the pretty simple basic design. Initially, I had this here going straight up, and I was gonna push way up here, but I'm no engineer, but I'm thinking that would have put too much pressure on the front of the blade, causing too much friction. So I cut it off, and I welded it on at an angle down lower so that it would have a lower, the force would be down at a lower portion. What else? I think so it worked really well, I think. It was iced over, and I had to push it like several times. I'm going to try this one-handed here. Okay, and you know, this is, you can see when I'm walking, this is iced up here, and it's not real deep. But anyway, one-handed push, and it appears to be working pretty well. And what I want to do is remove the blade, or remove the blade from the plow, and I'm going to cut some plastic pieces here and sandwich them between the blade and the plow so that they glide. So I'm going to take some of these pieces here and I'm going to cut them and leave the 90, and I'll have this going backwards and have this sandwiched between the blade and the plow, and so then the plow will be sliding on top of that plastic instead of the steel hitting the sidewalk, and I believe that would create less friction. If I get down within 1/8 of an inch of this concrete on a deep snow and it's easy to push, that would be a win-win. But this is all I've got to do over here anyway, is one pass, and then I can get the rest of it with the plow. Plus I did in front of the garage here. That worked great. So anyway, just wanted to give an update on this human-powered snow